I have built a Claude Code skill that turns any concept into an animated demo instantly. So you describe a process, whether it's a AI pipeline, network flows, business logic, anything, and it generates a self-contained HTML with smooth step-by-step animation. No libraries, no dependencies. Just open that HTML file into the browser. One prompt, one file, and ready to share anywhere. So what this skill does is it has a 7-step process to create an HTML. The first one is to identify the domain, in which what is the narrative, what is the story, what is the audience. So it determines all of that. Second is it will choose the best UI representation. So whether it's a chat window with sidebar, or whether it's a mockup UI, anything like that. Third thing, it will create a flow. So whatever code snippet or whatever business logic you have provided, it will try to mimic a user. Whatever user clicks, wherever user goes, it will try to create a flow of that. Fourth is a layout tier, where it will select whether it's a single flow or you'll need multiple clicks in that, or whether it's just a mockup UI. Fifth is assigning timing. So whatever action a user does, let's say doing a payment, calling an LLM, all of them have different timings in general. So it will try to assign some time windows to that, so that LLM calls is kind of a little bit more in time, but let's say if you are clicking a button and just the UI is changing, that would be very easy transition. Sixth one is building the HTML, and seventh one is the self-review. So now let's jump to a demo. So I have written this article a few time back. So it tell you about 15 agentic AI design patterns. So in each pattern, you will have a proper code. Okay, how to call this? For example, let's say I'm talking about single agent. So what it does is it will define every data class, and I'm calling the tools, and then finally I'm calling an LLM also into a loop. So let's see what it has created out of this particular article. I have given this article to the Claude. So now we are ready with the results with the HTML. Okay, let's see single agent first. The question here is, where is my order? Let's hit it. Okay, it has call LLM. So you can see that LLM call is not happening in the real time, but it seems like it is happening in the real time. And we have got the answer. Let's try coordinator one. So coordinator route the request. First one is billing specialist. And okay, we have got the answer directly. Okay, let's try multi-agent parallel. So, uh, okay, it is calling the agents in sequential order, but it has to call it in parallel. So we've got the answer.